Friends, today we are going to make fish curry in coconut gravy. Fish with taste of coconut. Most people use coconut milk in it, but I am using coconut paste instead of coconut milk. Freshly grated and pasted. I have half kg freshwater fish, rohu, rui, grated coconut, pot tamarind in water, green chili, ginger, garlic, curry leaves, onion. Make the coconut in fine paste. Cumin seed, mustard seed, fennel seed powder, turmeric powder, fenugreek powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, black pepper powder, salt. Marinate the fish with salt and turmeric while chopping onion and all and making paste. Salt, turmeric, some drop of lemon. Mix well. Oil, cumin seed, mustard seed, saute well, ginger garlic, onion, green chili saute. Now add green chili, but green taste will gone. I'm not adding any much red chili in it, only green chili and black pepper is taste. Spices, turmeric powder, coriander powder, black pepper powder, red chili powder, now add little water. Now add pot tamarind. vegetable. Salt, more water, bring this to the into boil. It's boiled well. Now add your fish in it. Get it boiled well more. It's boiled well. Now add curry leaves, pinch of fennel seed powder, some fenugreek seed powder, some asafoetida, a pinch of asafoetida, not much. Now add your coconut paste. Don't stir much, just cook this for 5 minutes more. It's ready to serve. Your suggestions and comments are very important to me. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for next videos. Thank you.